Theo. Usually I start my mornings by doing like a house sweep. I'm just like a little hurricane going through like every single room and picking up everything that's out of place. I feel like a lot of people like doing this pickup before bed. I don't. I enjoy doing it in the morning because I feel like then I start my day having accomplished something, if that makes sense. You know, like before I get to work or whatever, I've like cleaned my house, done some laundry, and because of the way we keep our house and because we don't have a lot of junk lying around, it doesn't take me more than like, I want to say like 10 to 30 minutes depending on like how bad we left it the day before, because we typically put things back as we use them, so like nothing really gets too bad. But yesterday was my fiance's birthday, and so we weren't home, and when we did get home we were eating like leftovers and all these things. It's also like time to change my bed sheets, so this morning's kind of cleanup is a little bit longer. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me and show you what I get done. So it is now 9:07, and so as I predicted, this was one of those like 30-minute runs. My fiance walks the dogs, so like I do a morning cleanup and he takes care of the boys. Oh, I forgot to do the office. Whoops, hold on. Usually my cleanups consist mainly of picking up dog toys from the whole house and just putting them back in the toy basket. I think Benji is gonna keep that toy, so I don't think I have to put that one away. Look who's back from his walk. Here. This is Theo, our craziest puppy. As you can see, he just came back from a walk and a little training, and he's so tired that his tongue is all floopy. Oh, having some protein yogurt. It doesn't require too much prep, obviously, because it's yogurt. So I'm gonna finish my breakfast and then I'm gonna work, and we'll see where life takes us this afternoon. Good morning and happy Tuesday, guys. The week was off to like not a very interesting start, I have to admit. All I really did yesterday was the cleaning you guys saw me do, and then I worked for the rest of the day. So I decided to make a list of the things that I'm going to do this week, just to make sure that I'm actually doing like a varied enough schedule to show you guys around. So today I'm doing a little work session. I've been working since pretty early today. We're going to go for a walk at the beach that's nearby, and I also wanted to just show how easy it is to get from central Lisbon to where we live. I'm gonna get back to work and then I'll fast forward to the end of the day and take you guys with me. It's later in the day now. I finished my work. I changed to this cute little outfit. We're gonna head on to the little cliff that I mentioned earlier, and I'm gonna show you guys around. After that, we're gonna go have dinner and go to the movies. Then I could showcase the prices of things. So like, how much would it cost to go out for dinner? How much would it cost to go out for the movies? So I thought that would be fun. So let's go. There's a TV provider here in Portugal called EOS, and when you have a subscription with them for your internet or your TV, then you get a free ticket for the movies with every ticket you purchase. So basically we got 2 tickets for the movie Air tonight, and we paid €7.50 for both of us. And then we either get our own menu or we share a menu, and menus are usually around like €3 to €6 depending on the size, and they're pretty big. I'll show you guys when we get it. This is how much you see of me when I try to film him. It's Wednesday and it's 7:30 and I'm just sitting in my office getting ready for my first meeting of the day. I'm going to go to the post office. We're going out for like a little brunch type of situation. The sun just rose a few hours ago, or like an hour ago, and it looks gorgeous. So going to go send this wedding invitation and going to bring you guys for a little stroll in the neighborhood and show you around. So yeah, let's go. We got one sandwich each kind of thing, one dessert and 2 drinks, and it ended up being 11 euros. It's one of those days where I've decided to make a complete fool of myself on the internet for the benefit of all of you. So I slept in this contraption. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's like this little hair heatless curl thing. I want to see if it actually worked out today, but before that I'm just gonna wash my face really quickly. One of my hairs has already come out and it's nice and bouncy, so I'm excited. Oh, okay. Please tell me that this is not a complete vibe. We're off to a good start. I'm going to see how they hold up. I'll keep posting updates. I'm gonna get to work, have my little setup, and hopefully I'll be done with work by like 11. Good morning, guys. It is a Friday morning. It's like 8 in the morning. I just wanted to start today's vlog off by showing you my little orchid. It's blooming. Look, it has all these little cute little knobs. This is today's little outfit of the day. We're ready to go. Theo.
Normally he doesn't really.
Theo. Theodore, come here. My goodies. Oh my goodness. We just got out of the mall and he bought some new flip-flops for 7 euros. And I, whoops, found some new sunnies. I have these right now and they're from Polaroid and they're really cute, but I'm afraid of scratching them for when we go to the beach and stuff like that. So I wanted a pair that I could just like wear anywhere, like to the beach, and throw it in my beach bag and like not be so sad if it scratched. And I found these Van ones. They're very cute. Wait, I'll just show you like this.
So,
yeah. Now I have new sunnies and they were cheap. They were like 17 euros or 18 euros total. So they're perfect. We are back from our little shopping spree, and this time it was for my fiance because the other day I went shopping for me, and this time we found some really good steals. We have like an outlet near us, or like an hour drive from us, and they have like really nice brands, so we snagged, let me show you, this like Oxford kind of blouse, which has like long sleeves, but it's like really fresh for the summer. It was originally 150 euros and we bought it for 25. So as you can see, it was a steal. He got a bunch of short-sleeved blouses, this blue linen one, a white linen one, dark blue shorts, some really black shorts. So he's all set. He bought this hoodie, which I literally love and I'm gonna wear so much. I don't know if you can see it, but super cute. I love it. He looks really good in it. So that's the result of our little shopping spree, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning vlog. Today is Sunday and it is Mother's Day. I don't know if you're anything like me and like to use your sunglasses as a headband, but I am that girly. So you'll catch me wearing these all the time, but I am leaving the house. So I'm not just sitting in my house in sunglasses. I'm writing my mom a little card. She spent the day with us yesterday shopping. Actually yesterday we were supposed to go shoe shopping for the wedding, but for me, but I mixed up the dates and it's not actually until next Saturday. We're gonna also pick her up these really pretty cakes. I'm not even gonna attempt to explain it to you guys because you just have to see it. They're these gorgeous works of art that you can eat, and they're like these tiny cupcakes, I guess. They're like miniature cakes. And my fiance loves them as well, so we're gonna pick out 3 to go eat with her. She doesn't know we're coming, and I'm kind of afraid that she might have left the house to go like grocery shopping or something. So yeah, we also have to pick up some groceries, so I will show you guys around the supermarket as well and just show you some prices of stuff. We just have to pick up some really basic things like coffee and bread and things like that, because for the rest I order our groceries from the same supermarket. I wanted to pick her up a flour as well, and I think I wanted to pass by this like underwear slash pajama store we have here and see if I could find my mom any cute little spring pajamas. Let's go.
Di doon pagmay.
We went to give her the stuff and she really enjoyed it, and I hope that my dog doesn't keep growling the whole time because his food is there and sometimes he tries to like protect it from Theo. But anyway, and I also passed by Primark, which is like a cheap Target, if you will, of Europe. Not really, they just have like, it's like a clothing store, but it's really cheap and it's like super bad for the environment. I usually never shop there, but sometimes I go there for specific things, and today was one of those days. So I went in there for hangers because they have like the velvety kind that I really like, and with Ivano's new clothes we needed new hangers. And I went to buy those travel, you know, like those travel size containers, and then I'll finish this week's vlog because it's like gotten really long. I feel like I'm kind of scared to edit this all together because it's either gonna be like 10 minutes of footage or 30. There's no in between. If you're still here right now, irregardless of how long this video is, let me know in the comments. Like, let's choose a random emoji, put an orange emoji in the comments below to confuse everyone, because you're awesome for staying this long, and honestly, thank you.